photo wall. I'm excited. I just got a new order of photos that I need to switch these ones out with because these ones are now going in my high school memory book, which you guys haven't seen yet. I wanted to show you the process of taking down my old photo wall, putting up a new photo wall, and as you can see, I have very many pictures this time, so I need to go through these and decide which photos I actually want on my wall and which ones can just go straight into my memory book. So yeah, I'm gonna walk through the process and let's go. Okay, so the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take down my photo wall. Walls down, here's the stack, and here's the tape ball. On all of my photos, I mark them on the back with like what they are, and I actually did that last night on my new pictures. So now I have to go through all of these and pick the ones that I want on my wall and which ones I don't want on my wall, and that can just go straight in the memory book. Okay, I split the pictures up. These are the ones I want on my wall, and these are the ones that are going in my photo book. So that's a lot of pictures, but I do have a pretty big wall now that I don't have a bed on this wall. So we're just gonna go with this stack. So the next step is to arrange them in the order that I want them. Sometimes I'll have like a vision board or whatever, like inspiration of a collage that I'd want to do, but this time I don't. So basically what I'm gonna do is first I'm gonna separate the ones that are like similar, so like my prom pictures and sweetheart pictures. Sorry, there's a hair in it. Okay, I'm gonna take my prom pictures, my sweetheart pictures, put them in a group all together so that I know which pictures are which and which ones it matters which order they go in, so on, so that I don't put identical pictures next to each other from like the same event or whatever. So this is the longest process of the whole thing. So here we go. Okay, this is the finished product laying on the floor. Now it's time to put it up on the wall. Okay, here's the finished product. I think it looks really good. I'm impressed with how it came out. The only thing that it kind of bugs me is that I did not think this through. And this and this. Although I have so many prom pictures that they're just like, psh, you know, but it only like stands out so much because my dress was such a bright color. But I think it looks really good and I'm very impressed with it and I'm very excited. So yeah. So the next step is to get my memory book out and take all these pictures and put them in it. Fun. That's my least favorite part. Okay, I'm on my bed now because I didn't want to sit on the floor anymore. But I'm gonna go grab my memory book and I'm gonna show you my process. This is my memory book. It's very big already. These are scrapbook pages that I'm gonna use to put the pictures on. So now I get to take all of these and split them into categories based on events, and then just the random pictures that I printed are just gonna be like the random memories or whatever page. These are the photo stickers I use because tape eventually like hurts the photos. I already have some photos in here from the last time that I haven't put anything together with because they came with my last batch. So yeah, let's just get started. Okay, I finished for the most part. These are the pictures that I'm throwing away. Sometimes I get pictures and I'm like, I don't want those in my memory book actually. So there's being thrown away. These are pictures that I will put in, but they're just like extra ones that I don't want to put in yet. So yeah, but we're done for today, which is awesome. So basically, I filmed that video like 2 months ago and I just found it in my drafts. So I thought I'd give you a little update. This is my photo wall now. It does not look like the one that I put up in that video. And I also rearranged my room, which I do quite often, but this is my photo wall now. And I had so many pictures that I also put pictures on this wall around in my mirror. So there's the update. I have videos of me taking down the old one and putting up this one as much as I got. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to give it a big thumbs up and I'll see y'all later. Peace!